It's now recording.
Audio?
Actually, you laugh. Okay,
It's on video.
it's actually on video, and the two of us could probably be seen in this. But anyway, we're going to discuss paramedic detail. You want to know how the body
Okay,
works.
so by a kid, they have less fluid than an adult has when they are a cold one, and it's very hard for them to. It's difficult when you monitor the radio on how the medic or EMT responds to that type of call.
So you want to understand how monitoring affects
A person's life, or how, like when you're dealing with a kid adult, what the problem is regarding if there's a call, right? And you want to wait a minute. When I go out of the car, I have to know the problem, where the problem is, because I have 30 seconds until either the person dies, have a cold one, or a cardiac arrest, or trauma if it gets worse.
So, no, you could take it.
Take it, yeah.
That's called, we call that in the EMS world, we call that dispatch data.
Oh.
Dispatch data. Now, why is this important? Two reasons. You're bringing out right now something that you could say, what the heck? A lot of times you'll hear on the hotel radio, you'll hear on the EMS radio, you'll hear on the radio, you'll hear any medics available. Unit requesting medics in the, we have a unit requesting medics in the W, and the medics start heading. Now,
What are the medics supposed to think then?
so the medic right away wants to know, the medic will get on the radio and say, HBS, what do I have?
Oh, they say it very clearly.
No, he's going to ask. Now, if the dispatcher says, well, what do you care, what do you have? Now, it's very important to know what you have responding into any call involving 911, EMS, fire, PD. These three things is not just anatomy and physiology level. It is very important for one major concept, for safety. Okay? If the dispatch tells you you have a 4-month-old possibly not breathing, okay?
But obviously you have so much, you have a minimum amount of time for you to survive, to get the person back and figure out
Fine.
what exactly is wrong with the body.
Fine. So we have this information that we could use to start thinking and preparing ourselves mentally, emotionally, and physically. How? Apparent stress. Number one. How to react. How to prepare your mind and body to deal with stress. Because if this call came in as a sick child,